We were established in 1956 by my grandfather John Mitchell. Originally the business was based at home before we moved round to our site here on Elf Road. The site has grown exponentially over the years to a 22-acre site where we base both our haulage and warehousing divisions. The haulage side contains a lot of container deliveries, D-vans, etc. that complement our warehouse. We do some general haulage, some bulk haulage in terms of deliveries of raw materials into factories. Our site is located 0.5 of a mile away from the Grangemouth port, which makes us very accessible to customers. Our on-site services include a workshop where we can repair containers. We store loaded and empty containers on site, which offers a further service to our customers where we can offer a one-stop shop.
Got 120,000 square feet of warehouse capacity, which also includes high pallet racking. We've also got a covered loading area, and within the warehouse we are Soil Association accredited, which means that we can store organic and food grade products for our customers. So all the port trucks that work within the warehouse are electric, and we can take a shipping container in, we can carry out a D-van, a transshipment. We can D-van the goods, put them into storage, reload them onto a curtain-sider, flatbed and back into another container and deliver on to the end user. We can also, once we empty a container, we can restitute the empty container here before taking it back to the docks, but our engineering department can also carry out estimates and repairs for the container. And we also have a facility to store loaded containers for our customers as well.
Here at John Mitchell's we use various methods of technology. All our drivers have got their own tablet, allowing their jobs to be sent direct to them and any communication emailed to them. When the driver arrives on site, they have the sign on glass option, and we have the e-pod where the POD can be sent direct to the customers. We also use telematics a great deal to track the drivers and know exactly where and when they are and when they're going to arrive on site, so we can allow our customers real-time information. We have ANPR system in our yard as well. All vehicles need to be booked into our site and programmed in, making it a much more efficient process for them, whether it being they're coming to visit our warehouse or for the container operations. Also, all our yard and warehouse operatives have a tablet as well, making everything so much more easier for anybody visiting our yard.
We offer a wide range of bulk activity with PTO vehicles and liquid compressors able to deliver the raw materials to the factories, and then our container trucks can then service the finished product, delivering them for the customer. We also offer bulk loadings on our site using the rip and tip method, which allows the customers to bring in the product, usually in ton bags, which can be then stored in our warehouse facilities until the customer requires them, and then we can load them into the tanks or bulk tippers via the rip and tip method.
We have a fleet of ADR vehicles and trained drivers who can support our customers' requirements for transporting hazardous cargo.
So we have our own 8-bay workshop here, where we inspect, maintain and look after a fleet of trailers and plant equipment. And we also have dedicated fabricators and welders who take care, inspect and repair the shipping containers for the customers, ensuring that they're all fit for purpose for loadings and then onward journeys.
We run a fleet of Euro 6 engines. The Euro 6 engine is the best engines available for the environment at the moment. The exhaust systems that are fitted to these engines produce cleaner air than is actually going into them, which is obviously good for the environment. We're educating our drivers on how to get the best performance out of their vehicles to reduce our carbon footprint.
I came to Mitchell's over a year ago, just with a car licence. I'd done the training scheme that they do, so I got my shunter licence, done the shunting for a while just to get the experience. Then I moved on to my class 2 once I passed that, got some experience with that, and then I passed my class 1 recently. Once I passed that, I'd done the body system, and now I'm moving on.
Our workshop is RTEC accredited, which was one of the requirements of being part of earned recognition, which gives the DVSA complete clarity with our processes and procedures for ensuring compliance with our fleet.
Training is a priority here, and we believe that by investing into our team, we're able to get the best out of them and they're able to get the best out of us. We have a Safety and Compliance Academy on site, and we have a dedicated safety and compliance coach who's able to work with the team as and when required to help them with their day-to-day tasks. We believe that by doing so, we're able to offer our customers the best service possible.